Why would I be mad? Just because it's a double date and my guy isn't going to be there because I made him up. So it's just going to be me and you and your date, Jimmy. Perfect Jimmy and his dimples. But I mean, it's Jimmy. He doesn't want to go out with me. He wants to go out with you. He doesn't like me, even though, I've been completely and utterly in love with him since second grade. I left all those little presents on his desk and hung around by his locker every day. And I put a tent in his backyard and I slept there with that big Valentine's Day sign that I made. I was there for a week. He was at his uncle's. And then I thought, when the sign didn't work, maybe just, bigger. Maybe he just couldn't read my writing. So I spent everything I had on a huge billboard that said, Jimmy, I love you. Ask me to the spring formal. But I spent all my money on the billboard, so I couldn't afford a ticket. I just watched through the window. It was raining. I stood there in the rain and watched you and Jimmy dancing together. You were staring into his eyes the whole time. Those beautiful, sparkling eyes, full of mystery, full of promise. You could lose yourself in. And then I got bit by a raccoon.